So Jay, you want to tell the folks about 50 Kill Outdoors?
50 Kill Outdoors was started about 2 years ago, and with the idea for the working person, we're working guys. We get to hunt on the weekends or have to take a day off work during the week to get to pursue our passion, and so we wanted to produce a product that would cater to that kind of person.
Yeah, and thanks to a lot of efforts of the guys out in the field and pro staffer John Lyons, I think we had some good footage to look at. What about that video, John?
Yeah, guys, this video is something you're going to enjoy, I think. It's not high-tech, it's not polished, but it's real. And that's our motto here at 50 Kills, keeping it real. It's literally done with a couple of handheld cameras and a tripod. So stay tuned and check this out.
Alright, we're going to set up our blind before the youth season on Saturday. It's Thursday night. We thought we'd come out here and scout too. So got John-Parker, he's got his blind, he's got a seat. We're going to head on over here about a quarter of a mile and see if we can see anything. Guys, we haven't even walked 10 steps and we got a gobbler and full strut out in the field where we're going to put our blind. I'm debating whether to go in there and spook him out and put a blind up or not. Guys, I don't know if you can see us or not, but those turkeys are right there in that fence row. There's 3 or 4 hens and the gobbler. It might be a tough old bird to kill come Saturday morning. Alright, well, we're set up. Can't wait till Saturday morning. Hopefully we'll get a shot at that big tom we just saw.
We finally caught up with those birds we'd saw earlier in the day. It turned out to be a tom with 3 hens. Boy, and it gave us high hopes for Saturday morning.
He'd be hard to kill though. Big bird.
These birds finally show up after a long wait. John-Parker was getting real antsy, and we finally had something to show for it.
While we're in the blind, what we didn't see is the other bird standing down by the tree line. Our attention was focused on the strutter so much that we didn't even notice he was down there.
So we had been in the blind for about an hour. Finally, 2 toms showed up, but we couldn't get him to come in. So I suggested to Dad that we'd get out of the blind and we'd see if we could sneak up on him.
you said that almost never works.
Go out, go get him, go get him, go get him. Make sure your safety's on. Hold on. All right, but hold on, he might start kicking. Watch him. Watch out, watch out.
Man, his spurs are huge.
Dude, you did it. Excellent, man, excellent. Oh, what do you think? What do you think about that, huh?
That was awesome.
All right, folks, John Parker has killed a monster turkey. I'm telling you, this thing has maybe 1.5 inch spurs. Let's take a look at these spurs on this bird. I'll turn it sideways, honey. Grab this other leg down here. How about that? Lay your hand up against it. Just lay your palm on the back of it. Look at the spur on this bird. And he's got one to match on the other side. My goodness. Let's check his beard out. A nice beard as well, probably at least 10.5 inches. But yeah, John Parker was explaining a little earlier, our blind is right up there in the corner. We got in here this morning, we had him gobbling on the roost. We had 2. There was another one, we think, with this one just a few minutes ago. But he was henned up. He had one single hen, and he was right down here over the hill, and he would not come in for nothing. And much to John Parker's credit, he was ready to make a move.